Hello and welcome back to another video by Eco House, and today you join me on an installation in Surrey where this client has chosen our Internorm windows and doors for their remodelling project. Let's go take a look around. For this particular project, the client has chosen Internorm KF520 uPVC aluminium clad triple glazed windows and doors. So they've gone really high performance to improve the energy efficiency of their building. Now, as this is a remodelling project, Eco House are replacing the existing windows, so we're taking out the old and we're going to fit the new. There you have it, guys. That's our installation video down in Surrey for this remodelling project. Our installers are just finishing up. Please check back for the next videos. Please subscribe and like the videos, and we hope to see you soon.